Welcome to springlib.
Okay, we're trying to make 2,2-dibromopentane. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bromine and bromine. And we've got some options. A penta 1,3-diene. Right, so that would be right there. An excess HBr 3-methyl-but-1-ine. Right, so butane is 4, 1-ine, and 3-methyl. Okay, and excess HBr. Pent 1-ine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And pent 2-ine. Like that. Okay, and the question is, which of these would be the most feasible starting materials for the synthesis of 2,2-dibromopentane when reacting these with excess HBr? Well, the issue here is that if you react this with excess HBr, it's going to be hard to control where the HBr adds, right? So you've got this conjugated system. Consider if it first reacts with one equivalent of your HBr. This is going to swing open, and you're going to get a positive charge here. This positive charge, we could end up with a bromine adding here, but we could also see a resonance structure, and the bromine adds here. It's going to be hard to make sure that we don't get 2,4-dibromopentane, for example. So that's an issue. This might seem like a nice example because I would expect that with this alkyne, we'd add bromine twice to this second carbon. The issue is that would not be the right product. Like if we got rid of this triple bond and added bromine twice here, that's not 2,2-dibromopentane. That's 2,2-dibromo 1 3-methyl butane. Just not the right thing. So the real question is it this alkyne or is it this alkyne? And I'm going to tell you that it will be this one. Because when you have a terminal alkyne and you add HBr to it, it will selectively add bromine to the internal carbon of that terminal alkyne. Meaning after the first equivalent, you're going to get a bromine here. And after the second equivalent, you're also going to get a bromine there, which in the final position would be your 2,2-dibromo in the final molecule. Whereas if you add it here, if you add HBr twice to this, since this is roughly, neither of these is terminal, there's no real way to control which side it will add to. So while in fact we may get some 2,2-dibromopentane, we are also likely to end up with 2,3-dibromopentane, right? Or even 3,3-dibromopentane. Whereas for the terminal alkyne, we will only end up with 2,2-dibromopentane. So that's the answer. It's pent 1-ine and excess HBr.